Hello everyone, welcome to Money Nest report for the post-market analysis of Nifty Bank Nifty for the August 23rd. So starting with Nifty chart for 23rd, you can clearly see that there is a narrow CPR. There are two implications of narrow CPR. One implication is that it can be a trending day. Second is that the CPR can be breached easily intraday. So looking at breaching, it got breached here, it got breached here. Twice it got breached. Okay, and trending. It is not a trending day clearly. Reason being, if instead of gap up, it got opened somewhere here, very near to CPR, here or here, and formed one direction, that would have been a trending day. But it opened a good gap up, and gap up did not sustain. That means there is a high chance that the price get attracted towards the CPR, and also there is a second chance that CPR gets broken. This has happened exactly. So looking at the first candle opened with a good gap up at above this R2 levels and above the H5 level of Camarilla. It saw stiff resistance, immediate resistance at Virgin CPR. This is the CPR of yesterday. It turned out to be a Virgin CPR since it was not reached yesterday. It's this CPR act as a strong support and resistance today. So these levels are strong today, and from there the resistance came and the sell-off came from there. Looking at the gap up, when the sell-off happened, there is a high chance that the gap get filled immediately. So the gap is very big here, from 16,560 levels to 16,420 levels. The gap is huge of 140 points available. Now, where should be the proper entry for short selling? The proper entry for short selling can be here at the close of first red candle, at the close of first red candle for the aggressive sellers. For the conservative one, we can wait for these levels to be broken. We can see here H4 level of Camarilla, R1 resistance and previous day high levels are here. If this is broken, there is no stoppage towards the CPR. I would take a position here after this breaking and put a stop loss somewhere here above the H4 levels of Camarilla. I would take a short position here, this level at previous day high breaking, and wait till CPR level. Of course, the CPR is broken and took resistance support at L4, L3 level of Camarilla, which is also very close to previous day close and also yesterday's support. We can see a support here, we can see a support here. So there are three close points. 1, 2, 3. These three close points acted as a good support today as well. So this would be my trade. I'm not that aggressive. I would have entered somewhere here after stiff confirmation and exited somewhere here after the CPR is broken. That's it for the day for Nifty. There is also a possible entry after CPR breaking, but this breakout is not a strong breakout. Reason being, this is being CPR is being, it is not acting like a good support and resistance for the day. It is like it pulled the price down, but it is being breached very frequently. This candle, second candle, third candle, fourth candle, this many times the CPR is breached, means we can't trust CPR for our entry here. We can't go long here. If the price started here and broken CPR at this level, I would have taken entry, but this is not considered as a good CPR breakout. So only trade for today is entry here for short selling and covering here at the CPR levels. This is the analysis for Nifty. So moving to Bank Nifty, this is also a similar setup, but we can see that H5 level of Camarilla. The similar H5 level of Camarilla acted as a resistance in Nifty. In the Bank Nifty also, the H5 level of Camarilla acting as a resistance here. And the previous day high is broken, resistance 1 is broken, L4 H4 level of Camarilla is also broken. What would be the ideal entry? If we see here, there is not much gap up. We can't say this is a good gap up, big gap up to get filled. There is a high chance that CPR is bit wider compared to Nifty CPR. There is a high chance that the price gets stuck in this range, for the day. Reason being, it is not a good gap up. Now, aggressive sellers would have sold here, breaking up this level, but would wait till this level is broken, CPR is broken. When this CPR is broken, I would take an entry. Once this candle is closed below CPR, I would have taken a short entry with a target of S1 level or L4 level of Camarilla. With this target, I would have taken an entry. Reason is very simple. At this point, if we compare the Nifty chart is also at the confluence level where it is at the previous day high, resistance 1 breaking. So for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, somewhere at this point at 10:30 a.m. the signal came for selling. So this would be my entry. Stop loss would be here, just above this one. Stop loss would be here and target would be this one. And if you see here, there are many supports here. It is very clear that previous day low, also L3 level, support 1, L4 level of Camarilla. These many supports, to if this got breached, it will be a free fall for the day. But looking at these many supports, there is a high chance that it does not get breached, but it might get tested. So looking at all these possibilities, placing a stiff stop loss somewhere here, taking a short position till S1 or L4 level of Camarilla would result in a good trade for the day. So that's it for the day. Analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty price action level using central pivot range, Camarilla levels and regular support and resistance levels. Thank you.